I think it's a good platform for interaction. So I think students which are now addicted to digital media, they can come and detox their bodies also.
We're expecting even more footfall tomorrow in the after because of the weekend, but it's been going great so far. Yeah.
1998 से जब से हमने बिजनेस चालू किया तब से ही हम जलंधर आ रहे हैं और पहली बार में मैं खुद परचेज करने आया था, तभी से सारी कंपनियों में डायरेक्ट डील करते हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स।
It gives, I think, an opportunity to everybody for looking at the things, how our country is progressing.
Get provided 350 tables in Rome, and all over world 110 nations they participated, and 6,200 players they played for 10 days. It was a mega event.
आई एम वेरी ग्लैड कि ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी ने इतने ग्रैंड लेवल पे होस्ट करा है एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ डूइंग वेरी वेल फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री।
उसका बेस्ट पार्ट यही है कि हमारे होम ग्राउंड पे हो रहा है एंड हम बेसिकली रियल ग्राउंड पे इनसे इंटरेक्ट करके सोल्यूशंस का वो लाइक नेक्स्ट एड-ऑन्स क्या उन्हें एक्सपोर्टर में गाइड कर रहे हैं
और यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं।
India is once again in the global spotlight as the city hosts India Sports Goods Expo 2026 at NIT Jalandhar. Sports equipments, training gears and latest sports technology. 100 से ज़्यादा exhibitors ने आज इस expo में participate किया है. Let's talk to people asking their opinion. As we know, Jalandhar contributes in more than 70% of manufacturing sports goods export. So let's talk to people, let's talk to buyers, investors, exhibitors, that what is their opinion about it. Please come. Hi, good afternoon ma'am, how are you?
Very good, how are you? We're here as a manufacturer and we have our own sports shoe brand called Tracer.
Popular brand here. So ma'am, how is the footfall this year?
The footfall's been great, it's day one, we're only a few hours in and we're already getting such good response. We're expecting even more footfall tomorrow in the after because of the weekend, but it's been going great so far, yeah.
Any foreign buyers coming here?
Yeah, we've actually had a few foreign buyers from our neighboring countries, from Dubai, from Sri Lanka, yeah, so a lot of good leads that we're getting.
It's a proud moment for Jalandhar.
Definitely. I'm so glad that Jalandhar is finally getting the limelight that it deserves as the sports hub of the country.
तुलसियाना स्पोर्ट्स एंड एपरल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड इंदौर से। इंदौर से आए।
कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया, फर्स्ट क्लास। हमेशा ही अच्छा लगता है जलंधर।
जलंधर का बहुत स्पेसिफिक रोल है स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री।
यस, डेफिनेटली है। जलंधर का काफ़ी 1998 से जब से हमने बिज़नेस चालू किया तब से ही हम जलंधर आ रहे हैं और पहली बार में मैं खुद परचेज़ करने आया था, तभी से सारी कंपनियों में लाइक निविया, कोबो, स्पार्टन, सिल्वर सभी से डायरेक्ट डील करते हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है और यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं। थैंक यू।
Everything headquartered, started, founded, everything. Not founded.
Meerut is also one of the sports hubs.
Yes, just like Jalandhar.
Yes.
Fourth generation.
Fourth generation.
My great grandfather started.
He started in which year?
He started in 1922.
Wow.
But that was in Sialkot, Pakistan. So that's the sports hub in Pakistan now.
Wow.
They moved to
Migrated here and then continued with that.
both camps, Jalandhar and Meerut. Everyone migrated from Sialkot only. That's a bit of history for you.
Yes. So what do you want to say about this expo, sir? How are you loving
This is actually our first time participating. We were here 2 years ago. Last year तो war हो गया था. Last year basically we saw the footfall. It was really interesting. So we decided कि एक बड़ा booth लेके we'll do it. So today is still the first day. So early comments. Last day I will be able to tell you. But it looks good. Looks good.
People are coming, people are approaching there, and there are buyers from different cities.
It seems like because I've been here for like now 2-3 hours and there have been several people till now only. So I think the next 2 days should be good.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
Fine.
Okay, you are here as a manufacturer, as an exhibitor.
Yes.
For which brand?
From Chawla Sports and CSI brand. We manufacture gym belts and boxing gloves and all. Different varieties we have.
I think last year शायद नहीं हुआ था ये.
Yes.
for Sir?
He is the owner. You can take bite of him. Yeah.
Sir, how is the vibe here?
वाइब इज़ वेरी गुड. लास्ट टाइम से तो काफ़ी अच्छा है. लास्ट टाइम तो पोस्टपोन हो गया था मे बी, तो काफ़ी क्राउड देखने को मिल रहा है अभी यहाँ पे. तो ऑब्वियसली क्या फुटबॉल है और बॉक्सिंग है यहाँ पे, और क्रिकेट्स का काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहे हैं.
So visitors are coming here
या बिल्कुल
for opportunities.
बिल्कुल.
Good business deal is going on this year.
Business deals is like yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, hello.
I hope I'm not disturbing you.
No, you're not disturbing us.
So you are here as buyer?
No, we are here as an exhibitor.
Okay, as an exhibitor. Which
Yes.
which brand?
We have our own startup named Threadori. We have a booth there.
How is the vibe here?
Amazing, amazing. Believe me, I feel so
you're
good.
as an exhibitor for the first time.
Yeah, this is our first time here.
And how is the experience?
Amazing. We are the students of NIT, and this is mind-blowing experience. We are loving it.
You're from Jalandhar only?
No, I'm from Jharkhand. I'm from Ranchi.
Okay. How are you loving the city? How's the city?
Amazing city, amazing place, amazing college, amazing exhibition.
Hi, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
How are you, sir?
I'm absolutely fine.
So you are here as a manufacturer.
Yes, we are
For
from
which brand?
Stag Global and Masita. We
Which
have
is the
two
best
brands.
product that this brand is providing?
Stag Global definitely I must say number one brand.
And which is the best product? सबसे अच्छा product जो है इसका, सबसे जो popular product है?
Stag is known for the table tennis. So you can see there are two tables. The blue one is the outdoor and the black one is the indoor. It is the best table. 2 years back we have provided.
Why the color choice, sir? Blue and black?
This is just as per the customer choice. Nothing more.
Nothing.
So 2 years back in 2024, we had provided 350 tables in Rome, and all over world, 110 nations they participated, and 6,200 players they played for 10 days. It was a mega event. I must say, the Jalandhar, to see the Jalandhar, it's a beautiful place. I had come second. This is my second visit at
And
Jalandhar.
you are originally from?
Originally from Delhi, and the company is from Meerut.
I see.
या आई एम वेरी ग्लैड कि ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी ने इतने ग्रैंड लेवल पे होस्ट करा है, एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ डूइंग वेरी वेल फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस आया है. अभी फर्स्ट डे है सिर्फ, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस आया है. सो वी आर होपिंग फॉर द बेस्ट नेक्स्ट 2 days के लिए भी. फर्स्ट डे के हिसाब से यूजली थर्सडे है तो कम एक्सपेक्टेड होता है, बट स्टिल वेरी गुड. यस,
I have met people coming from Chennai, from
Yes.
Indore, all around the world.
That's very
In
true.
Jalandhar. Jalandhar
Yeah.
is hosting it as the host city.
Absolutely.
It's a massive thing, big deal.
No, absolutely. Not just I think India, a lot of overseas buyers as well. हमें I think श्रीलंका से भी 2 buyers आए हैं, and a couple of other Asian countries. But yeah, so far very good.
You're from Chennai.
Yep,
Okay.
all the way down south.
Wow, sir. Glad to have you in the city, sir.
Thank you so much.
Which brand are you representing here?
So I have a sports show in Chennai.
Yes.
It's called, can I say the name? Is
Yeah.
it okay? It's called Lightweight Sports.
Okay.
And I'm here as a visitor. I'm looking for some products, some new nice products which are on display. I mean, there are a lot of products on display.
So you know that Jalandhar is the sports hub.
Yes, I do. I joined my father at work in the year 1989, and he started in 72. The first place he came was Jalandhar to pick up his stuff from.
Wow.
Yeah.
Enjoying, sir. Any opinion about it? Anything about it?
It's an awesome experience. Many more people should come. Those who have stores, who want to expand their business, get some good stuff, then this is a place to be. Come, choose what you like. You might see some products which might blow your mind, and please do come. For those who haven't come, make sure you come the next time round.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Hi, good afternoon, sir. How are you?
Excellent.
Okay. आप यहाँ पे as an exhibitor हैं, as a manufacturer, supplier, or
No, we are hosts here. We are from NIT Jalandhar.
from NIT
Faculty.
Jalandhar?
Yes, faculty members.
So it's a proud moment that you're hosting such a big expo. Jalandhar is known for manufacturing goods. So what is your opinion about it? You want to say something about this?
Then this is very good. I think it's a good platform for interaction. So I think students which are now addicted to digital media, they can come and detox their bodies also. And such a exhibition, it gives, I think, an opportunity to everybody for looking at the things, how our country is progressing. And this is a very good platform for students as well as faculty, as well as the citizens of Jalandhar as well as India.
What is the best part of this expo?
बेस्ट पार्ट इस एक्सपोर्ट का ये है, जस्ट लाइक जैसे हम स्टूडेंट हैं, आई एम ऑल्सो फ्रॉम NIT से, तो मेरा भी बेसिकली स्टार्टअप है, हम एक्सपोर्टर का कंप्लाई सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। हमने भी न्यूरो सिम्बोलिक किया है, इंजन आर्किटेक्ट किया है, तो इसका बेस्ट पार्ट यही है कि हमारे होम ग्राउंड पे हो रहा है एंड हम बेसिकली रियल ग्राउंड पे इनसे इंटरेक्ट करके सॉल्यूशंस का वो लाइक नेक्स्ट एड-ऑन्स क्या उन्हें एक्सपोर्टर में गाइड कर रहे हैं।
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good, thank you so
You are
much.
here a buyer or a visitor?
No, we are the manufacturer in the name of Didi Johnnett's.
Okay, so how are you how's the vibe here today?
The vibes are very much positive.
I
And
think
the
last
food.
year हुआ नहीं था शायद.
No, the last year हुआ था, but because of that the surgical war and all, the situation got worse. Yeah,
So how is the response this year?
footfall is very good
Footfall is good.
and everyone is enjoying this time.
Stalls are really good. So business kind of thing. All
Yes, this is a business oriented. Of course, it would be a positive, but last time I think एक दिन की ही रही थी and next 2 days की वो cancel हो गई थी, that everyone was disappointed. But इस बार तो
Time.
It would be a great.
thank you so much.